So it is April Fool's Day, and we are going to prank ourselves, specifically our customer support. Now, these guys get a lot of questions, some that are quite common, some that are not so common, but I wonder how long it will take for them to realize that we're totally trolling them. I want to seem like a genuine inquiry at first, and then we'll see where we can go from there. Dear Sir, I am a newbie to 3D printing, but have decided to take the plunge and invest to start a new business. I have heard that you can provide biofilament. This is exactly what I am looking for. Can you please tell me which flavors you offer? You can see where this is going. Best regards, Alan. I mean, it seems kind of genuine. Flavor could mean type in this context. Good morning. Thank you for your mail. We have a number of biofilaments here, and Ross is referring to our Francophil filaments. These are PLAs with added byproducts like beer grains, coffee, and in this case, oyster. Hello, Ross. Thanks for your quick response. This is all quite fascinating. I never would have thought of oyster, but I'm looking for something perhaps a bit more traditional. Do you have a standard beef flavor? How is it made exactly? It is organic, of course. Good morning. Thank you for your mail. Nope, no beef, just the flavors I mentioned. Biofilaments are made from bioplastics, which are basically any plastics derived from renewable biomass sources, such as vegetable oil, fats, cornstarch, and other flavors. In my link from my previous email. Best regards, Ross. I'm not sure if he gets that we're actually talking about beef flavor and not types of biofilament. Let's push this a bit more. Hi, Ross. No, that won't do at all. More than half of our expected customers are fully fledged carnivores. Scratch that, carnivorians. Something made from vegetable oil or cornstarch is out of the question. But the PET is made from meat, of course, hence the name, I assumed. The recycled one sounds good. Hips and abs too? Sounds scrumptious. I'm not interested in PP right now. At least, not at the minute. Winky face. Best regards, Alan. Okay, that's gotta do it. Okay, he's either very confused or maybe a bit gassy. It's hard to tell. Hi, Alan. I'm a bit unsure now. We are talking about the same thing. What type of products are you looking for? For which purpose exactly? I took your use of flavor to mean type. You know, these products are not edible. Best regards, Ross. Okay, let's dial things down a bit. We went a bit too far. Hello, Ross. Perhaps I have misunderstood. Thank you for explaining it to me. In that case, please let me know if you have a selection of 3D printable drinks on offer. Will these require supports? Best regards, Alan.
You smarty pants.
I was wondering how long it would go on for, actually. I thought I'd decide to stop, though. It was going a bit too far. Did you also notice that Alan Mitrolf is a anagram for filament troll?
No, I didn't.